Assalamualaikum. A very good morning to my dear students and welcome back to your English class, and this is your English teacher again from United Public School. So students, in our last class we are discussing about our one of the best cricket player, sports player. His name is Vengipurapu Venkatasai Lakshman. So he is one of the famous cricket player, right? Who wins the heart of the public, right? So we are discussing about his before going to retirement. He was giving an interview, right? So here interviewer asking some questions, right? We are discussing about that only. So our next question was, what was the most difficult phase of your career? So here the interviewer, which is a sports star, SS in the sense sports star, he is asking what was the most difficult phase of your career. So see, everybody has the different difficult phase in their lives, right? So the question is like, in previous life of Lakshman, what was the difficult phase in his life? So he was answering about that like this: it was when I had to prefer cricket to academics. So that was the toughest moment of my life. Though they were always the dream to play for my country, I also had a natural desire to be a doctor, coming from a family of doctors. So luckily my father gave me the complete freedom to choose any of the two. So here the role of my uncle Baba Mohan was very crucial, along with some of the coaches then. So what he is telling, yes, so the important and difficult phase of his life, like to choose either studies or the games. Okay, so usually he is from a family of doctors, or right, which means so his father and his mother and some of the relatives might be also a doctor and all. So obviously they will also try to make him also a doctor, right? So for example, who was the doctor and who belongs to a family of the doctor, they also want their son also become like a doctor like him, right? But here VVSK Lakshman's father gave him full freedom and he gave him full support. But still it was very difficult for him, because once he get into the playing cricket and sports and all, then it was not possible for him, any of the person, if they get in playing games, then it is not possible to the person to come back into the life of the studies of the doctors, right? So of course he also have he also want to be a doctor. But since he is having a passion towards the cricket, and he had a desire to play for his country, so because of that he has chosen this cricket, leaving the doctors and all aside. But still it was a toughest moment of his life, because he also want to be a desire to be a doctor, which is coming from his family. But still it was very tough moment for him. So he was saying that, and he was feeling lucky that his father gave him complete freedom and support in this, to choose any one of his. And here he mentioned his uncle names, that is the Baba Mohans. So he was also playing a crucial role in supporting of his career of the cricket. So along with Baba Mohans and the coaches, some of the coaches are also very supportive to him. Next come to, do you believe that it will be difficult for the modern day young talent to make it as big you did? Have things changed a lot in this regard? So he was question is so obvious, like Lakshman had become a very great personality, right? So it is also possible to the young cricketers who are there right now in the 21st century. So those are the which means the players which are in cricket team, right? Isn't it also possible from them to become that much of success? Isn't also possible, they are asking, is it also possible to them to make as bigger face as you has become in this cricket team? But still things has changed a lot from your times to here, right? So like this question here has asked to Lakshman. So what he will give answer, see. Frankly, nowadays it is more easy to perform and recognize because of the media glare. Glare here means focus, in the media focus. So there are many platforms for real talented to come good, and IPL is the one such which pushes you into the international reckoning, in the sense recognizing. Okay? So if you perform, you are bound to get recognized. So immediately VV Lakshman answered that, frankly speaking, so nowadays it is more easy to perform and can be recognized, can become recognized, in the sense can become a famous because of the media focus. So at the time of him, the Lakshman time, there is not much media awareness was there on that time. Only 2 or 3 news were comes in one day, right? But nowadays if local player scores some good score, then also he will become like recognized by many people. He will become like a famous. So he was telling that, so because of the media focus and social media focus and all, the things will become easier to youngster talented in now for nowadays. But in those days there was not like possible that much. So here we have an advantage, right? And here he is telling that a very much good platforms where it will be bring you a national, very much good platforms are there nowadays. And you can also use IPL is very good platform where it will brings you a national identity. So he was telling, right, by this platform, that is IPL, you can be push yourself in this national identity by recognizing, you can become a famous personality by this help of platforms like this. And finally he was telling, if you really perform you will really perform well, you will really recognized by the public, which means you will become a famous personality, right? Next question, from where did you draw the strength to emerge as gained every time there was an effort to draft your achievements? So he was asking how you gain this much of strength in a gained in the sense big, as you become a big player, right? How you gain strength to become a big players and achieve this much of success? Then he answer immediately, my parents and my entire family. So he was again giving credit to his entire family and his parents. So as they given his more support, so that he was giving credit to his family and parents. So they, along with my well-wishers, were always the source of inspiration. So he was also giving credit to his well-wishers who want this sports player should win, and also the source of inspirations, right? The best part is that they never change irrespective of whether I was performing or not. So he was telling that if he scores somewhat bad in matches also, then the well-wishers of the fans of him never disappointed on him. They trusted on him. So the fans which are having, right, so they are trusted on him, they never disappointed him. So by that they the Lakshman gained very strength, okay, to achieve this much of success, right students? So remaining we will discuss in our later classes. So students, your today's homework is write this first question, answer the following question. But this is the question, what is Lakshman's philosophy of life as per the interview you have read? So write this first question in your homework notes, answer this question by using guides and all, okay, and submit in your groups. Thank you students, have a nice day.